In this video, we're going to learn how to work out percentage atom economy. And by the way, don't confuse this with percentage yield. It's different, okay? And there's another video on percentage yield if you're wondering what that is. Okay, percentage atom economy then is this idea of green chemistry where you try not to make any too much waste, okay? So percentage atom economy is equal to the mass of the useful product that you make divided by the total mass of all the products you make in a chemical reaction multiplied by 100. Okay, and the smaller the atom, the bigger the atom economy, sorry, the more environmentally friendly the reaction is. Okay, so let's see this one. It's the how you extract the metal titanium. So you've got titanium there and you react it from titanium chloride with sodium. Metal displacement reaction, you get titanium and you get sodium chloride there. So you need the balanced equation always. Well, what does this balanced equation show us? It tells us that when you get 1 mole of titanium chloride and react it with 4 moles of sodium, you get 1 mole of titanium and 4 moles of sodium chloride. Now, we're not actually interested in the starting material, so we can forget about those. Now, how would we work out the mass of 1 mole of titanium and 4 moles of sodium chloride? Well, of course, moles is equal to mass over mR. So mass is equal to moles times mR. So how much does 1 mole of titanium weigh? Well, titanium's got an atomic mass of 48, so that's going to be 48 grams. The mR of sodium chloride is going to be 23 plus 35.5. That's equal to 58.5 for 1 mole. Right, but we're making 4 moles. So it's going to be 4 times 58.5. That is 234 grams. Okay, so you can see every time we make 48 grams of titanium, which is what we want, we also make 234 grams of sodium chloride, which you don't want. So let's work out the atom economy there. So the atom economy is the useful. What is the useful product? It's the titanium. So it's the mass of titanium over the mass of all of the products multiplied by 100. Mass of titanium, we said, is 48 grams. Leave the grams off there. The total mass of all the products, we make 48 titanium and we make 234 of sodium chloride. So if you work that out, multiplied by 100, you get 17.0%. So quite a low atom economy there because you're making lots of this sodium chloride, which you don't want. You only want the titanium. So that's that one. Okay, one more example then. So this is the extraction of iron from, put that down there for the time being. The extraction of iron from its ore, iron oxide, by heating it up with carbon. So this equation shows us, right, 2 moles of iron oxide react with 3 moles of carbon. We don't really worry about that. And that will give us 4 moles of iron and 3 moles of carbon dioxide. So once again, mass is equal to moles times mR. So the mass of iron is going to be 4 moles, and the mR, the atomic mass of iron, is 56. So that's equal to 224 grams. So we'll get 224 grams of iron, and every time with that we're going to get, well, CO2, the mR of CO2 is 44, 12 for carbon, 2 times 16 for oxygen, and we've got 3 moles of that. So 3 times 44, that's 132 grams. Now the useful product here is obviously the iron. So the atom economy is equal to the mass of iron over the total mass of all the products, multiplied by 100. The mass of iron, 224 grams. Total mass, well, we've got 224 grams of iron and 132 of carbon dioxide, all times by 100, and that's going to give us 224 divided by 224 plus 132 multiplied by 100 gives us 62.9% atom economy. Okay, so they are quite easy calculations. Just don't confuse it with percentage yield. And if you want to try some more for yourself, there's a couple more examples. 3 more examples there, and it's got the answers there in orange. So when you've worked it out, you can see you've got the right answer.